Hello guys, welcome back to another City Sights UK YouTube channel video. Today we are back down at Bramley Moore dock. There it is. Tuesday the 11th of October. Yeah, the 11th of October. Did not have to check my phone for that. Anyway, we're here doing a new video of the Bramley Moore dock ground build, and it's really coming along. It's we counted there's 12 cranes on site now, so they've got to be on schedule at least. I think I seen on someone's channel they're 4 weeks ahead of schedule, someone said. So you'll see the progress made from the last time we've done a video. There are big changes. There was not these many cranes here last time. As many cranes, I should say. So yeah, there it is behind me. So we're going to get the drone up in the air and we're going to take a look around and see what's going on. If you like the video, you can share, subscribe and leave us a comment below. Let us know where you're watching in the world as well. Okay, take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon. Just going to try and get a quick shot from the gate of the car park, just so you can see it from the ground, whether this lovely guard is going to let me. I don't know. We've been moved on, but we're going to go around the other side to see if we can get a decent shot, because they have started work on the structure of the southeast corner, so I'm going to try and show you that. See you in a minute. It wouldn't be a video without the Terry's Timber logo, would it? Bit of an action shot there, they're lifting some steel work up. Always good to get one of them in. So yeah, see there where they're starting work on that corner. So yeah, it's coming along. That is the end of this week's update. We'll be back next week, and we're going to concentrate on the other side of the stadium development rather than the side we've just been on. So we'll have a look at the north side next week. Take care, see you soon.